What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you or will be discussing with you which one is better, Cursor or Zed. So if you're deciding between Cursor here and Zed, well there are a few things that you may want to know. So let's start with Zed. So Zed is a blazing fast open source code editor written from scratch in Rust. Now it's top priority, speed, and performance. Now if you're someone who values low latency, minimal lag, and super lightweight interface, well Zed has made, or in this case, Zed was made for you. It also shines in real-time collaboration. You and your teammates can literally code together, live like Google Docs for developers. Now it's great for teams, pair programming, or group projects since it's open source and also get full transparency and a chance to basically contribute or customize it how you want. But while Zed is fast and sleek, its AI features are still developing here. It doesn't yet have the rich plugin ecosystem or full range of features that in this case more mature editors offer. It also has limited OS support, might feel a little too lean here for devs coming from heavier IDEs. Now, on the flip side here, Cursor is built on, in this case, as a fork of Visual Studio Code. So it has that familiar feel, but supercharged with deep AI integration. Now, this tool is perfect for professional developers who want an AI assistant that doesn't just autocomplete code, but actually understands your whole code base. Cursor's AI chat can help you refactor here, generate new functions, explain complex logic here, and even do large-scale code edits using what they call composer mode. Now, if you're working on complex projects or need help debugging and understanding big databases, Cursor Smart features are a huge boost here. Now, the trade-off here is Cursor is closed source, so it's a bit heavier due to its VS Code roots, and the best AI features come with a subscription. Now, which should you actually choose here? Now, go with Zed if you want raw speed, live collaboration, and open source editor that stays out of your way. Now choose Cursor here if you want AI-first coding power, deep code-based understanding, and you're already comfortable with VS Code ecosystem. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.